Everybody calls me young, beautiful. Where am I? Look at my hair. My lips. My red lipsticks. And a pair of leggings. I remember somebody says that I look like my mother. That I look like my mother. But that when she was young, I'm much luckier than she is. I'm a mortal prince. Oops! What time is it? I must get ready for the party. Beep, beep. Aha! Here they are. Yes, I'm coming. Child, are still there? That's my mama. Child, are still there? Will you please get me a glass of cold water? Mama, I'm in hurry. This child, try to get me a glass of cold water. Mama, please try to keep me in your own. In the party, my dad and the at the whole I have to dance with everybody who wants to me. At last, the party is over. I'm very tired, very tired. So I went home to tell Mama what happened. Mama, I'm home. No, it's very quiet. Mama, I'm home. Nobody answers. Where is she? I look for her in the sun, but she's not there. Where is she? Aha! In the kitchen. I saw my mama lying down on the floor. Then, the glass of water. I remember. She cried nearly. Oh God, just for a glass of cold water.